Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers watching, and that is, guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join. A link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.48 trillion. We're down 1% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.5%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are starting to see some mild green across the board in the last 1 hour, but overall in the last 24 hours we're still seeing some mild red across the board, and that is mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin is seeing a retracement occur, and which we will get later into this video. But today, guys, I want to look further into Shiba Inu and see what's exactly going on with Shiba and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So if we're looking at Shiba's price right now, we are currently trading at 0.0000085 cents. We are down 3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're up 0.5% in Bitcoin comparative, down 0.8% in Ethereum comparative in just the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 26 spot. Market cap right now is $4.23 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is only $400 million. Once again, guys, we are seeing Shiba Inu's volume very, very low. I always like pointing this out for you guys because we do need to keep in mind how hyped Shiba Inu really is. And considering all this amount of hype that there is really revolving around Shiba Inu, the 24-hour trading volume just does not justify it. But zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, obviously in the last year we are up quite significantly, but we're still in the green in the last 14 to 7 days, so not so bad if we are looking at the price for Shiba. It is holding quite well compared to some other altcoins right now in the cryptocurrency markets. Update on the holders, guys. You guys can see the the holders on Shiba Inu token are just increasing as days go by. Day by day, this number keeps on continue to grow, just grow, and that is a very, very bullish indicator when we are looking at the when we are looking at Shiba Inu token. As you guys can see, as of recording this video, we are sitting at 585,046 Shiba Inu token holders that are officially part of the community. Absolutely mind-blowing stats for a project, a meme coin that has not been in the markets for even a year as of now. So absolutely insane, and this is a bullish thing when we are looking at this number increase as time goes by. So I always like bringing this to you guys to see how steady the growth is and where we're exactly sitting. And so far we're seeing some very bullish growth for Shiba Inu holders. So Shiba Inu wallet holders, I'm sorry. But now comes the news, what everyone is talking about, and that is Shiba Swap. So shibaswap.com has this thing. It's a Shiba Inu logo saying "woofing soon." So now comes the question: is the Shiba Swap coming soon? What is going on? We know how highly anticipated this launch really is. The entire crypto community along with the Shiba Inu community are talking about this launch of Shiba Swap, where you can earn passive income staking your Shiba if you're in it for the long haul, and you can get rewards. And also using Shiba Swap, the circulation supply of Shiba Inu is going to decrease as time goes by. So a lot of people are very, very excited about that, but we do not have an exact timeline as to what is going on and when it is going to be launched. But I believe time is very, very near for this to happen, because we're starting to see an update on the entire website. A new design makes it look very more professional, and now we're starting to see them come out and say this as well. So that is very exciting for the Shiba Inu community when we are looking at the Shiba Inu token. But now let's look at the price charts briefly, and then we will come and make a conclusion as to what possibly can happen in the immediate short term. So you know what, let's zoom in and see what exactly is going on for Shiba Inu. As you guys can see, we are currently trading at these price levels. We did see Shiba Inu go all the way up to this 0.00001 cents mark, and we wicked above here, and since then we have dropped a bit. If we are bringing out the measuring tool, we have dropped in just the last day and a half. In just the last week and a half, we have dropped 15.71%. Very healthy drop in my personal opinion for Shiba. We are still above this level of support at this 0.000000815 cents mark, and as long as we stay above here, things are going to start looking good for Shiba. One thing I want to point out for all the Shiba holders is that we're still having a very, very hard time breaking above this level of resistance. Guys, you guys do not want to be underestimating the power of this level of resistance. If you're a Shiba holder, all your eyes should be on this specific price level, which is at this 0.0, so basically 104 cents mark. Once we break above this level, guys, the thing that we want Shiba to do is actually stay above here and gradually move towards the upside. Yes, we have seen us after this major dip towards the downside. Obviously, you guys know what happened in the markets over the last back in May 19th. We saw Bitcoin having a crash along, so it takes the entire markets down with it. So since then, we have seen 1, 2, 3 wicks towards the upside. For this above this level of resistance. But one thing is showing you guys that we have failed to stay above here every single time. And since then, we have been consolidating very, quite well, in my opinion. And I believe now comes the time to see how strong the bulls really are for Shiba, because we need to break above this level of resistance for us to talk about the next step up. This is where the extra zero is going to, this is where the extra zero is going to get killed. But in order to get excited, we need to get above here. So please do not underestimate this level when we are looking at Shiba prices. One factor as to why we are having a very, very hard time breaking above this level is, guys, because we are not having enough buying pressure on our side, meaning that the bulls are having a hard time pushing the price of Shiba Inu towards the upside, because at the end of the day, we do need buying pressure for us to move towards the upside. Another factor is Bitcoin. If this is your first time coming onto my channel, or if this is your first time in cryptocurrency, guys, Bitcoin is the king of the entire cryptocurrency markets. It basically is a leading indicator of the entire altcoin market. So if Bitcoin decides to say, you know what, goodbye, I am starting to go towards the downside, because at the end of the day, these markets are very highly manipulative. So if whales decide to move the price of the Bitcoin towards the downside, what happens to Shiba or any other altcoin? They follow Bitcoin's price trend. So if someone came out and told you, you know what, hey, Shiba Inu is only going to go up even if Bitcoin goes down, I'm sorry to break it to you, that is definitely not the case. We need to be looking at Bitcoin charts on a daily basis for us to come up with the most likelihood scenario, what is going to happen in the immediate short term for altcoins. So never underestimate the power of Bitcoin, and this is why it's very, very important for us to keep Bitcoin price into perspective. So if Bitcoin does decide to break below this crucial level of support at this $33,363 level, then basically the going below $30,000 door is open. As long as we stay above here, we are good in my opinion. But we're in the safe end of the spectrum when we are above $36,295 level. Currently, that is not the case. We did see a spike up towards the upside. We got rejected around here, and we have been seeing Bitcoin price fall towards the downside today. Obviously, today, yesterday was July 4th, and it is the weekend. We do tend to see a lot of manipulation occur in the cryptocurrency space around the weekend, so that should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us. These kind of price actions, I do not let them get to me. I take them with a grain of salt because, again, CME futures are closed, and we do tend to see a lot of whale manipulation occur in the cryptocurrency markets over the weekends. But what does that mean for Shiba if we break below $33,300 mark? Then yes, we can definitely go below this level of resistance. Level of support, which obviously none of us want to see it happen. But guys, let's face the reality. I'm not going to come out here and spread false hope for you guys saying, you know what, guys, we are going to the moon tomorrow. Absolutely not. Yes, if Coinbase comes out tomorrow and tells us that, you know what, we are going to finally list Shiba Inu, everything is good, all the technical difficulties that we were facing, we have overcome that, then yes, we could see price momentum towards the upside. We could see more buying pressure kick in. But if that were not to happen, then yes, we could obviously continue to fall below this level of support with Bitcoin, and we could possibly see these price levels once again. So we need to keep that in mind when we are looking at the prices of Shiba. We look at all the scenarios. We just don't look at the upward scenario. We also look at the downwards scenario. And right now, that is definitely not out of the books as of now. So all my eyes are still on this level, guys, and I believe we will be easily able to smash above this level if Bitcoin does get back into this zone at this, especially around this $38,500 mark. Very crucial level and for myself, because that's where I get a confirmation that yes, markets are indeed headed towards the right side. But as of now, that is not the case. So still, we need to be looking at Bitcoin charts very, very closely. If we are able to break above here and actually stay above here, then yes, things will start looking very, very nice, and I believe we might start to see the next leg up for Shiba Inu officially start. One thing I want to point out for you guys is I want to show you guys the power of Shiba Inu community. So Coinbase came out just almost a month ago, came out and said, they will be listing Shiba Inu, and that was a huge, huge announcement because if you don't know, Coinbase is a fiat gateway. A lot of new investors, when they come into the markets, they buy their first cryptocurrencies off Coinbase. And new investors, they like a one-stop shop. It's very easy. They do not need to transfer coins from one exchange to another to buy Shiba. They can directly buy it on Coinbase. That's why Coinbase listing is very, very huge. But, since the announcement, they have been delaying it because they have been seeing some sort of technical errors occurring listing Shiba. But if you guys look at all the recent posts, guys, you guys can see it's just like people saying, Shiba, where is Shiba? Like, when are you guys listing Shiba? Literally every single post you guys go on, you will see the same thing occur, Shiba. Like, everyone is talking about Shiba, and this goes to show the amount of hype there really is built into this project. It's absolutely mind-blowing. And obviously, a lot of people are speculating that Robinhood could be on the list as well to list Shiba, along with people are speculating that Elon Musk might start shilling Shiba as he did with Dogecoin. I personally am not a big fan of him having so much power over the cryptocurrency markets because you guys know what he did with Dogecoin. A lot of people are saying that he will do the same thing with Shiba because he did mention Shiba and Flocky just a couple weeks ago. I'm not a big fan of, one person having so much power, but that does not mean that we cannot see a move towards the upside for Shiba occur if he does jump into it. But we need to play this very, very, very carefully, guys. Always invest what you can afford to lose, especially on a meme coin. I cannot stress this enough. Never, ever throw your life savings into crypto, first of all, especially into a meme coin. Actually, you're not supposed to throw your life savings at all in any cryptocurrencies. Always invest what you can afford to lose. I cannot stress this enough. If you have done both of those things, guys, then honestly, patience will be your #1 queue to follow, because as much as everyone hate hearing this, but you will never ever get rich overnight. And this is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are enjoying Shiba Inu updates. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And do not forget to come join the Telegram group chat, guys, if you have not already. And please smash the like button, hit the red subscribe button. This does help my channel and my videos get to a wider audience, so your support would be greatly, greatly appreciated. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. It means the world to me. Thank you once again. I love you all, and stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.